Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to continue looking at sketch practice 1, this time looking at part 2. Right, I'm going to identify this point here as my start point, going down 1.5 inches. I've already got OnShape opened up. Right, it's the original file from when I started with sketch practice 1, part 1. I'm going to start a new sketch on my front view. Again, going to my left side and clicking these 3 eyes off to turn them invisible. I'm going to switch to my front view, right, so that I'm looking directly at my sketch. Like I said, this point here going down 1.5. So I click my line tool, I click my center point, click, type in 1.5 and hit enter. Then I'm going to the left, right, 3.5 minus 3, so this is 0.5 or half an inch. Then it goes up, again looking at back at my blueprint, it goes up 0.5. Over to the left, again let's turn back to our blueprint. This distance here is 3, this is 0.5. So this line must be 2.5. It goes down 0.5. Back to the left 0.5. Now I'm going in the upward direction 2.5. And it comes across the top a distance of 2 inches. And then back down to my start point. And there we see that all gray bound object is what we're looking for, right? If it was not bound, it would not turn gray, and I would have a blue line somewhere indicating that I was missing a dimension. Now let's look at the circles. We have 2 circles. The circles are 0.5 or half an inch. Right? But as with circles, we need 3 dimensions. We need its diameter, we need a left to right, and a top to bottom. From the bottom to the center is 1.5 on both circles. So up here I click dimension, I click the bottom to the center, 1.5. I click the bottom to the center, 1.5. Right, so that completes my vertical dimension. Now I need to look at left to right. From my left hand side to the center of my left hand side circle is 1 inch. So I click dimension, left to the center, it's 1 inch. From the left hand side to the center of my right hand side circle is 2.25. There we go. We're looking for all black lines indicating that it is fully dimensioned. I click my finished sketch. I like to do my extrusions from the isometric view. I click extrude. I click my shape. My extrusion for part number 2 is 0.75. And there it is, sketch practice 1, part 2. Just like I did in the last video, I'm going to go down to this plus, hit create part studio, and prepare myself for number 3. But I'll do that in a second video. Thanks for watching.